I'm Samantha Sevilla, and my thesis is entitled Tropical Cyclone Track Forecasting in the Western North Pacific region using multivariate long-short-term memory networks with varying lookback windows. My thesis is about tropical cyclone track forecasting using LSTM models. More specifically, I'm testing whether varying lookback windows and different input variables can improve the LSTM model. The problem I'm trying to address is tropical cyclone track forecasting because yung mga bagyo, pabago-bago yung trajectory. And the Philippines is vulnerable to typhoons. Kaya even a small improvement in tropical cyclone track forecasting can help disaster preparedness. Tropical cyclones are a real and recurring problem in the Philippines. And personally, growing up, I've experienced how dangerous tropical cyclones can be. Sa bayan kasi namin sa mga taram, madalas kaming binabaha kapag bagyo. Mahirap kapag malakas yung bagyo tapos babaha and then mawawalan pa ng kuryente. So, pag bumabagyo talaga, hindi kami natutulog. The usefulness of this thesis is I'm trying to show that machine learning can be explored as a complementary tool for forecasting. I'm not saying naman na it can replace yung current forecasting methods natin. But yung improvements can help for disaster preparedness. The difficult part is the coding. Mahirap yung pag-ayos ng pipeline mo, yung pag-pre-process ng data, and yung computational limitation din. Kasi I initially wanted to use spatiotemporal data from reanalysis data, kaso mabigat yung mga data na yon, and it would require me to purchase Google Colab Pro, which is expensive. The fun part is seeing the output, yung forecast, yung tumatama yung forecast sa actual track ng storm.